Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Samsung Galaxy S10 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cut pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and next, take out the board frame with the wireless coil by undoing 8 screws. Next, unplug the battery connector and take out the not working battery. First, apply the heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a cut pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. And once you have some space, use a pry tool to lift the battery. Next, place the new battery on the body. If needed, add the adhesive. Next, add the SIM tray and connect the battery plug. And then place the board frame with the wireless coil by adding 8 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are using binding clips to tighten the back cover to the body. If not, you can use rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the battery replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.